Hey there, it is Marian. I am outside all by myself doing my part for social isolation and flattening the curve, but I want to show you some exercises on the curb that you can do when you're outside. First of all, no one's around, right? It is a little noisy with nature. There's some construction still going on, but I want you to see what you can do when you're outside to keep yourself moving, okay? So I've got a curve here. This is all I'm going to use. I'm going to show you some exercises for your balance, for your alignment, for your cardio, and let's get working. Number one, side. Fast feet. Want some cardio? Foot up, keeping aligned. Make sure your feet are in alignment. Make sure there's no goop all over the place. And step, 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 step. Feeling good? Feeling like this is okay? Watch your alignment. Number three, backwards. We're gonna step up, down, touch. Up, down, touch. Up, down, touch. Make sure your hips are staying neutral. Feet are staying even. Getting some good movement in the ankle. Working on the balance. Always a place to work your stretching. It's little, it's not too high, but I've got my ankle mobility I'm working on here, stretching at the calf, working on keeping that neutral curve in my back, getting a little bit of stretch, hip hinging here. All awesome outdoors curb exercises, all by yourself.